Hello everyone, my name is Yash Singh and I'm a final year student at TIT University. I'm pursuing my bachelor's in technology with computer science as my specialization. And I'd like to say that Brain Mentors has helped me a lot in my placement journey. And currently I'm placed at Nucleus Software Exports. That is a Noida based company, and lucky for me, my advanced training tutor, Mr. Amit sir, was in working in that company in his early career. So I got some quite clear insights about how we'll be working over there. And I'm very thankful for Brain Mentors as they taught us quite well in different fields like DSA and full stack development. Stack technical training, that was the advanced technical training, was really helpful as we got every little bit of details that we didn't get from YouTube and different Medium posts and different blogs. I'm really thankful for TIT University to provide me such an opportunity.